The increased number of the scholars on social media also and on different forums, when the children especially and everybody else also, when we listen to different scholars, sometimes we do get confused because of the difference in their views and all. So is it okay to just stick to one scholar, or is it okay to listen to all of them?
In terms of who you should follow with the different opinions that are being held, you go with those opinions which are expressed by known scholars. If they're known to the community, known globally, and they're expressing opinions, and there are others who are expressing also, but they're not that well known, new names, new faces. So you go with the ulama, because ultimately this is where the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes to the ummah.
कुरान और सुन्नत के बाद अगर किसी मसले को समझने में मुख्तलिफ आरा आ जाती हैं तो एहतराम अखलाक नहीं छोड़ा जाएगा, लेकिन सिर्फ उसको हम लेंगे जो कुरान और सुन्नत के ताबे हो।
मैं ये कहना चाह रही थी कि उन्होंने उम्मत की बात की है ना, तो आज की माँ अपने बच्चों की परवरिश में किन चीज़ों को पेश नज़र रखे?
The main advice would be to be around those that are successful. Those in the community, you know, who have successfully raised their children, go and learn from them. Because there's a reason for their success. So your children being around their children, your children will also benefit from the factors which have benefited the successful ones. And then be open to read and to benefit from psychologists, child psychologists, etc. You know, there's new information coming all the time. So let that be an important area of reading and study to be able to successfully raise your own children.
Sir, as a university student, how can I balance secular university with serious Islamic learning, as I am also doing online Dars-e-Nizami in the evening?
If you are studying standard programs which are not Islamically recognized, or Islam is not involved in it in any way, then it's for you to research yourself, to find other opinions where Islam fits. You know, in the International Open University, the professors have all been instructed to teach the courses, the modern courses that they're teaching, whether it's IT or it's business or whatever, to teach it from a comparative perspective, so that they hear what is being taught normally, and at the same time they give what Islam teaches.
Any advice for the young girls regarding their marriages? What should we be looking for, you know, in a partner in like today's age?
Well, you know, the Prophet ﷺ already identified, you know, that, you know, as he made it in terms of males marrying females, that, you know, women are married for three things: for their beauty, for their wealth, for their family connections. You know, these are the main three areas that men would focus on. And similarly, women, in terms of choosing partners for themselves. That, but he said in the end, to فَاظْفَرْ بِذَاتِ الدِّينِ. So the deen is what's most important.
ये एक मारूफ है कि यहूदी हमेशा माल को देख के शादी किया करते थे, और ईसाई हमेशा जमाल को देख के शादी किया करते थे, और मोमिन हमेशा तकवे को टॉप प्रायोरिटी पे रखते हैं।